Hey savvy shoppers, welcome back to Jellyperks, where we bring you the hottest promo codes and the smartest savings from around the globe. Today's deal? One of the biggest of the summer. It's the Aliexpress August Choiceday event, running from August 1st to August 6th. During this event, you can unlock exclusive promo codes to save even more during the summer season off sale. Here's exactly how you do it. Scroll down to the video description the More section, and click the promo code link right there. That will take you to a special page with promo codes based on your cart total. Copy the code that fits your order, and during checkout on AliExpress, paste it into the promo code field and apply it instant discount. Important reminder, the promo link is available in two places. First, the video description, click More below the video. Second, the pinned comment at the top of the comment section. We repeat this because it's important. Check both the description and the pinned comment. Wherever you are, mobile or desktop, you'll find the link easily. But remember, these promo codes are valid only from August 1st to 6th, and many are limited in quantity. So the sooner you grab them, the better. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Jellyperks, and share the savings with your fellow shoppers. We've got more hot codes coming your way. So stay tuned, and happy Choiceday shopping.